So we decided to take an Evo that we couldn't put on the road and turn it into a drift car. And then we started realizing we're going down a rabbit hole, right?
And we can't drift.
And we can't drift. So building a pro level 800 horsepower drift car is not feasible right now. So we decided to get ourselves a drift car now. We didn't know what we were going to get, but like every good drift car, you start at marketplace. And that's what we've done. And we found one. Boom! The 318ti E46, also known as the shitbox.
So we took a nice trip out to the township. We went to go pick it up.
We didn't think it's going to be difficult, but once we actually pulled out the ramps for the car trailer and actually stood behind it, Barry and myself just looked at each other and we were like, damn, this is quite steep to get it up. But yeah, the guy we bought the car from jumped in, lined it up, and Barry and myself, we just pushed it up.
Should be able to come off. The practice car has begun. Always interesting heading out that way with a massively wide trailer, just because driving in you're uncertain as to whether you're going to be able to fit down some of the roads.
The whole idea of getting a drift shit box all happened one day when David and I were sitting in the workshop and having a look at the Evo and realizing that we have probably bitten off more than what we can chew, but we're going to get through it. But we also want to learn how to drift, and we want to learn how to drift now. So we decided to go out with a small budget and buy something that we can start drifting off with the least amount of money. And that's how it all started. And as every good plan, you check on Marketplace for a car. Then we ended up with the true, one and only BMW TI actual shitbox. So we hit up our good friends at Merbeda Used Spares and asked him if he had quite a bit of the spares we needed, which he did. He didn't have an engine for us, but he helped us out with a 330D box with some diffs. These are the guys that hook us up all the time with all the little knickknacks we need for our cars. They always go the extra mile for us, looking for stuff that we can't find. It's actually so nice to have a company that you can go to and feel right at home at. Is they finicky with the aftermarket stuff?
Yes.
Yeah, that's all I know. I'm not clued up with them, but that's what I've heard.
Yes.
Alles.
Shop moet leeg. Sê vir mense baie.
Everything needs to go. Everything needs to go. Merbeda. Everybody knows Merbeda.
Yes, yeah, this is David's interview episode.
Yeah, it looks like it's David. That's Mercedes. That's BM. Some more Mercedes on that side. Some more gearboxes here. And some bootlets there. There's pistons and blocks and cranks and sumps and torque converters and everything in there.
I've known them for years and years, since my first car needed parts. One of my close friends actually started working there, Werner, and now he's running the place and we're still going there. And they've been a major help, helping us with parts, advice, where we can get stuff, what we should do. Come back to the light. Probably end up making our own gear lever, everything, so it's a good start. Still need a motor, haven't decided what route we want to take, so it's a good strong start. 330D gearbox won't break, hopefully.
Well, the nice thing is to find a place that you can actually get everything that you need. And Service with a smile, especially in town.
Ah, come on. I want to do
What? Why can I see it through the...
How'd you get out?
Bonnet latch is stuck.
Bonnet stuck.
What a shot, dude! That's the best shot I've ever got in my life.
It's a bonnet stuck. Killed my wife.
Wow. Ui! Shit. Oh.
That's a cut motor.
Welcome back to CarNoodle HQ. Today we're stripping the shit box.
They're brand new. He just vomits. I've always wanted to blow an airbag up. I mean, who doesn't?
Yeah,
Yeah, but we'll put something over it. Like
you just took out the seat, didn't you? Let's just shoot one of us into the sky.
Fucking take one for the team.
That's why I said it sounds like a bad idea. I mean,
Yeah.
Are you serious?
So we thought, hey, we've seen a whole bunch of videos of these things, and I would love to try and pop an airbag. Never done it on purpose.
I know, that's what I mean.
These guys.
Dude, I felt bad when I did it.
This is a idea. But it's so funny.
You must never ever give someone a fright when they that start. Just in case they
Follow through. What airbag is this?
It's the door airbag.
So it's not going to hurt that bad.
Yeah, the airbag. Well, you see all these videos of the airbag pushing the guys up into the air, and I was like, nah, I'm a fatty. Let's see how I can push me in. Yeah, ended up just feeling like a donkey kicking you. Let's do it on the plane. Let's see if I can get air.
Are you just going to sell a that?
No, dude.
This is going to
Oh no!
like a Buzz Lightyear. To infinity and...
I'm short!
I'm sorry, not thinking about it. It's fucking funny.
That was terrible, dude.
What was that?
Stripping that car. It was a freaking biohazard. There was more mold in that car than there was in the entire Port Elizabeth. I think I choked and gagged a few times. So all the interior has to come out.
It was raining a lot, so everything was sopping wet inside. The door panel was full of water. Most of the parts that had been stripped off the car was inside the car. It was quite interesting.
It took us a day to strip it, but probably half that day was coughing out my lungs and trying to wash them with Dettol and then put them back in. And then not only is the mold that you have to worry about, every time you put your hand into the carpet or something, some beast from the freaking Tyrannosaurus times comes out there to try and bite you. It was the worst experience of my life stripping that car. David!
So was the airbag.
Come here, boy. Bring your clever ass over here. We had an epiphany. We think the blowing of